Hi guys, hi, this is Ken Lau. So what is just is that we have a list of data, right? So we gotta get a filtered based on the store code. So I click on this and it's filtered, and I'm gonna copy this informations into this part here, right? So assuming there's nothing here, okay. So I'm clicking on this thing. It will just copy this part and this part right into the respective area. Okay, so there's still some error here. Let's just try it again then. Why? There you are, see that? It works. Just talk about that one more time, right? But there's still a lot of bugs need to be fixed. Well, basically it's corrected here, right? You can see that these are the list and according to this store code. And that's for it now, right? I still have a lot to work on. Thank you.